Have you got entirely too much on your plate? So many priorities that you couldn't possibly keep up. You're completely distracted, you're overwhelmed, nothing good is happening. It's time to deal with that and make sure you have a conversation with your boss about what is a priority and what is not a priority. Ooh, I know that doesn't sound like a fun conversation, does it? And you know why? It's because your boss probably doesn't even know what the word priority means. Somehow, the managers I come across these days, they think that deprioritizing something means saying it's less important. And what they're gonna tell you is, all of it's on my performance review, so it's all important. That's not actually what prioritization means. Priority, the word comes from the idea of what comes first. You're not saying something is more or less important, but what you do want to ask of your boss is, which of these things do you need completed first? That is a question that it's very hard to shirk around that answer, because you're going to pick one thing and you're going to work on it, and you're going to work on it with focus and with quality and all those sorts of things, but you need to know which thing you should work on. So shift your strategy. Instead of asking your boss about which is more or less important, shift to saying, which of these do you need completed first? You'll get much better outcomes. It'll allow you to deal with the overwhelm. You'll be less distracted, and that is a really good thing. But all of that means you're gonna have an uncomfortable conversation with your boss, and I get that. That is not fun. Are there any tips to speaking truth to power? There sure are. There are 4 secrets to speaking truth to power. You can find all of those in this video.